Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Zastin, known as zhass.artistry, and today I'll be showing you how I do my highlight and contour. If you want to see how I did it, keep on watching, and before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Let's get started.
Hello everyone! So I went ahead and applied foundation already. As you can tell in this clip, my face is looking really flat. There is no dimensions, it's just one color. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that face back to life. Here I'm pointing at the areas that I want to narrow down. So that is my nose, my temples of the forehead, my cheekbones, and my bottom lip. To make sure I balance the face, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. So I want to make sure I conceal and brighten my eye bags because I do not want it to look tired or droopy. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. When highlighting the face, you want to make sure that your highlighter slash concealer is a few shades lighter than your skin. You're going to apply this to the areas that you want to brighten and lift. So the areas that I did highlight is underneath my eyes, bridge of the nose, chin, and forehead. Moving on to contouring, I'm going to be going in with a contouring stick which is a few shades darker than my skin tone. What contouring does is it makes the certain features of your face recede and create a shadow. So first, I start off with the temples of the forehead. This will help give it dimension and slim down the face. Next, I'm going to contour the hollows of my cheeks. This will make my cheekbones look higher and more sculpted. This next step you guys can skip, but I also like to contour the bottom of my lip. This will help give it an illusion of a bigger and fuller bottom lip. Last but not least, we're going to contour the nose. Contouring the nose will give it an illusion of a slimmer and smaller looking nose. Now we can start blending. I like to use a damp beauty blender to blend out my contour and highlight. Using a damp beauty blender will help the product melt into the skin better and look more effortless. Now I'll be using the bottom side of my beauty blender and I'll be blending out my contour. You want to make sure when blending out your contour for your cheekbones that you blend upwards. Blending downwards will make your contour look muddy. When blending out my nose contour, I like to pinch my beauty blender so I get a precise blend. To soften my nose contour just a little bit more, I'll be going in with my e.l.f. Define brush. To set that highlight, oh my god, sorry guys, that's Prince Mello playing. But anyways, to set that highlight, I'll be going in with my translucent powder. Doing this will also help clean up our contour. To make sure our contour stays on all day long, I'll be using a bronzer to set it. Gonna let my face set for a little bit and I'll be right back. Now that we're done setting our contour and highlight, I'll be going in with a cool toned bronzer. This will help make our cheekbones pop. To add some color back into the face, I'll be blending in my blush into my bronzer. This will help it look more natural. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight to the high points of the face. To make sure everything's locked in, I'll be setting the face.
And that completes this contouring and highlighting video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye!